How to make a Numberblock 2 cake. You'll need frosting. We use Cadbury's sponge cake mix, parchment paper, 2 round baking tins we'll use to turn into squares later, 2 eggs, orange food colour gel, ready rolled icing, and black food colouring, an electric whisk. It's best to use an electric whisk, another sponge mix, and a bowl. Next, draw around the circle and then cut it out. Next, get your tin on both tins and then just put butter on it, and then add your parchment paper. Make sure to do it with the sides too. Then cut open your vanilla sponge cake mix and put it in the bowl. Then after, crack your 2 eggs. Then put 150 ml of water. Just give it a whisk with a regular wooden spoon. And also remember, no crumbs. Now it's time for the electric whisk. And then let's share the cake mix in two. So first of all, put 50-50 in the first one, and then put 50-50 in the other one. This is how you would put all 2 together to make a Numberblock 2 cake. But remember, be sure to like and subscribe for part 2. Make sure your oven is preheated for 10 minutes and put the cake tins in the oven. Subscribe for part 2. Part 2 is coming soon. I'll tell you when part 2 is made in the comments.